Welcome to Byte Vision YouTube channel. Lenovo E490 laptop SSD 2.5 and RAM replacement tutorial video. To remove the back cover, unscrew all 9 screw nut bolt. Open the back cover by using metal spudgers prying scraper tools. Open the back cover gently. This is dual RAM slot. Here SSD 2.5 slot. On the left this is battery unit. Detach RAM part from the motherboard by unlock RAM clips. Detach SSD 2.5 part SATA cable from the motherboard. Replace the SSD 2.5 with desirable memory size. Replace the 32 GB RAM or you can plan accordingly. Close the laptop back over and tight the all 9 screw nut bolt. Thank you for watching Byte Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.